So I did my first 2 minutes back on January 11th, and I talked at that time about buying silver and making silver part of your portfolio. So I think it's always cool to look back and see how those recommendations, how they worked. And so I just put this little table together for some context. Back on January 11th, the Dow was at 36,290. Nasdaq, the techs were at 15,000. S&P was at 4,700. So flash forward to today, 927. I took those numbers this morning. The markets were actually up earlier, but they're down about 600. Well, the Dow Industrials are down about 600 from that number, 29,588. So it's actually down about 20% from between January 11th and now. And then techs are down 27%, S&P down 22%. By context, the 10-year U.S. Treasury was at 1.74 back on January 11th. Today, it's more than doubled, up 124.71% if I did the math right. And then I want to throw gold in there. It's down 10.2%, also got monkey hammered in the meantime. So my recommendation was to buy silver back on January 11th. I had just bought some silver. Spot back on January 11th was $23.21. The premium was about $10. So the actual pay price per ounce was $33. Flash forward to today, spot has been hammered down to below $19. It's at $18.69. But the premium has almost doubled. And you're still paying about $33, $34 for US Silver Eagles. So as a hedge and a store of value, silver has done pretty well. It's up 1.36% in comparison to the sea of red ink you're seeing everywhere else. And then if you can source metal, the rumors are people are willing to pay $40 now for US Eagles, and that's up 20.52% over January 11th. So I just want to say the case going forward for silver, the gold silver price ratio is 88 to 1. It's the highest in history. The average being 40 to 1 in the last 20 years, 60 to 1. So something's got to move. I'm thinking silver is going to go up. It's a monetary metal, but it's also an industrial metal in high demand. And the U.S. Mint is doing some weird stuff. They're stockpiling instead of selling silver eagles. Never seen that happen. They're running about 20% of capacity and selling very little. So there's something weird going on in the silver market, but that's my 2 minutes. I promise to keep it short. If anybody wants to buy some silver or whatever, just, reach out.